Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Worley. I hope you're doing well. I know I'm looking forward to the snow that's coming on Thursday. I plan to build snowmen, have a snowball fight, and build a snow fort. I hope you find some fun activities to participate in as well. I wanted to take you through our resources for both remote learning and COVID-19. COVID-19 news is located at the top of our website. By clicking this link, you will be directed to all the information you need to know about COVID-19 as it relates to Skyview Academy. The Pre-K-8 Remote Learning Google site is linked at the top of the page for your convenience. That will prevent you from having to search for it through emails. At the top of the SVA Learning at Home, we have all of the pages linked for your convenience. I've added a new page called Practice with the Principal. I want to direct your attention to the SocialEmotional Learning page. SocialEmotional Learning information is found here, along with our counselors, social worker, and psychologists. These links are new and provide a lot of activities that can help support students during this time. Lunch Doodles with Mo Williams is an awesome activity to help de-stress and have students focus on art and something fun. There are other page items available lower on this page. Additionally, the new page, Practice with the Principal, has Mrs. Worley's Khan Academy class. If you click this link, you will be directed to My Classes. You can join the link appropriate for your student's grade level by clicking the link provided. Additionally, there are daily activities that Khan Academy offers for student enrichment. Once you click one of these links, you will be directed to join the class. You find the correct class and enter your student information. Additionally, I've created a YouTube link. I plan to offer opportunities for students to listen to daily story times, have lessons on literature, and provide other updates for our school. I thought it would be fun for the students to be able to see me reading to them and learning. Check this site page often to see any updates. Schoolwork is provided for the students on the pages associated with their grade level. Right now, you'll notice there's nothing available. That's because you're supposed to be on spring break taking a relaxing time with your family. Here's valid information for 3rd graders through 8th graders using Google Classroom. Student support services will be available to you Monday, March 23rd if your student has any additional learning support or activities that helps them during their school day. When you're on the home page, you are also able to find your grade level based on the cute boxes added at the bottom. I hope you're doing well and hope this provides you support and encouragement through our remote learning time. I can't wait to share the activities that I have and the virtual tours we're going to take throughout the world. Until I see you soon, have a great day, and remember, you matter.